In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a company at Bill.com account. If you are new to Bill.com or you just need to make sure your company information is correct, this walkthrough will guide you through the key screens. You will only be updating details that appear under your company profile, so it is a straightforward process. To begin, log in to your Bill account. Take a moment to confirm you are using the correct login so you access the right company workspace. Once you are logged in, you should land on your main dashboard or home area. This is where you can move into your account settings to update the profile information for your company. Next, click Settings, which is typically shown by a gear icon. This step matters because the company profile you need to edit is controlled from within your settings area. When you click the gear icon, a menu or panel usually opens. If you are on a smaller screen, the settings option might appear in a side navigation or under a profile menu, but it will still be the same gear icon. After you open Settings, select Profile under the Your Company section. This is the part of the account where Bill.com stores the basic identity details about your business. Choosing Profile keeps the process focused, so you do not need to search through unrelated settings. Look for the heading that mentions your company, then click Profile to view the current company information that is already saved. Now click Edit to update company details. This will usually switch the page into an editable mode and allow you to change the fields. It is normal to see the existing information displayed. Before you type anything, take a quick look to confirm what is currently on file, especially if you have changed addresses or updated how you describe your industry. With Edit enabled, enter the required company name, address, and industry. Make sure you enter the company name exactly as you want it to appear in your Bill.com records. For the address, double-check each part, including street information, city, state or region, and postal code, so there are no formatting issues. Then choose the industry field carefully. This value helps categorize your business within the platform, so it should match the nature of your organization as accurately as possible. While you are entering information, it is helpful to move field by field and pause for a moment after each entry. That way you can verify spelling, numbers, and any special characters. If there are drop-down options for industry, select the option that best fits your business. If the form allows free text, still keep it clear and consistent with how you usually describe your company. When you have finished updating all required fields, click Save. This final action ensures your changes are applied and stored in your Bill.com profile. After saving, you may see the page refresh, or you may notice that the edit fields become locked again, which indicates the update is complete. If you see a confirmation message, that is a good sign that everything went through successfully. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to set up and update your company details in a Bill.com account.